Pirates in fact they are on the right track. They're doing the right thing. Yabo. For many years, Sundowns were doing the right things. That's why I was always emphasizing that the Sundowns moshayela izandla. But they're doing wrong things currently. I need to be honest. Pirates they are on the right track. Mina moshayela izandla because to play Orlando Pirates will lose just to play a team sheet. Yabo. Njoba ngisho sign scouting department Orlando Pirates moshayela izandla. Yabo. There's many. Now what? To check out the best out of players because it's him ohlele benchini. Wow, kumele ngimshayele izandla yabo. Yeah, Junior Kanye TV without to waste his card. 15-20 umfana se Dave John, the Brazilians, both of them. Yeah, don't forget #bet with the best #WorldSport betting. Man, subscribe futhi. Sibonge ne support kuko konke. Yeah, no, siyabona ne support. Without to waste his card, Michael Nkambule. Zizo sekaslami. Yeah, Michael mfethu sibuya weekend bekwi Calling Black Label. Last 16 and we saw Sibonile Mfana Pirates idlala Saturday Sundowns idlala Saturday Chiefs idlala izolo also Sikhukhune sayibanda Sikhukhune naso because Sikhukhune I think ngicale ngeSikhukhune Michael Chintla started very well kuSikhukhune mfethu Peter Buncube they playing ama experienced player Bukado so they are there yeah team will be strong. This guy, the striker from SuperSport United, I'll ikamala kelsobuya manje Grobler. Yeah. Grobler doing very well. Udlala ngeteam ke letso Magalo. A very strong team. Mkhize is there as well. Team yabo balance, yabo. Khuluma experience and also younger players. Not that young, but younger players. I-age ukuthi is a society labo. Started, they've got a good coach, one of the best coach for me around the country. Just that in HIV, obvious, when I pay my players, it's me okay, most like coach I be consistent, but one of the best for me, Polelas. So, ngibonile Bambitron, uqale kahle uThintle, hleli ku number 1, uqale wahlala ku number 1. Now it's Sundowns, I know. But if we can be honest, if you can win the remaining game, okay, game in hand, uzohlala phezulu. Asibeke so Michael. What do you think of Isikhukhune mfana? Baqale kahle. They beat ama team, bashama team. They lost ku-Betway Premiership ngikhuluma ku-league. They lost also ku-cup. What's going on? They started very well. Now baphumile ekhapini ya.
Engakusho na ukuthi manje if ungachecka bona Isikhukhune baqale kahle but ukuhlala lapha ku number 1 kudinga i-consistency then because if ufuna ukuthola lesa sports lesa you must win your games but into engibachekile ngaleSikhukhune i-team engathi idla amahlapa amakhulu you understand like when they play with these small teams
very important
ngathi baya struggle you understand so in order ukuthi uhlale lapha kusukuthi kumele udle i-Chiefs ne-Pirates ne-Sundowns in order ukuthi ungawini league and so ngoba la kumele uthola khona uthola ama-point khona kulamanye ama-club na ukuze izoboost i-confidence yakho because these 3 teams ngoba check bona badlale kahle against these 2 teams Chiefs ne-Pirates but mu-checka kulamanye ama-games against Polokwane ba drop ama-points ekhapini futhi manje baphumile understand but mina ngibabona ngathi baperforma kakhulu mabadlala nama-team amakhulu.
So you mean players they sell themselves like yeah nami I do agree with you. It's disappointing feature because uThintle Bodela basicabaqale kahle mfethu team ya okay im off balance and we're not talking with badlala abadlali ngecounter their team they build up feature. I saw yes unendlela eningi every game yakho uThintle he allow players to express themselves. Monga check I took out the best out of Bokelitso Magalo Buncube as well and yeah, well done to him and but consistent bona bomkhize a best key player for him. I'm not too sure Sundowns why I released the boy ngoba ngiyakhumbula uPitso maka ku-Sundowns uyamlona a key player for Isikhukhune abanye abantu underrated uthile Pitso ke wayilona I remember wayilona and that boy coming back now njoba ibuyile mfana it's a key player so right playing ngibonile Isikhukhune sidlala with big teams they're doing very well. I'm not too sure players they want to sell themselves angazi. And uThinkler naye, I'm not too sure what's going on, because uThinkler, I've been following him in Cape Town City. uThinkler, ijive, I love uThinkler, but consistency. And it's shocking, yeah. Baphumile ekhapini mfana. Badrop ama-point kuPhulukwane City. Phulukwane City, they don't have high profile players. Abanayo coach high profile. They just have players nje. Most APC Motsepe League, NFT Motsepe Championship players. Not high profile players. They beat Sekhukhune. Do you think now is time Sekhukhune wena ngokubona kwakho? You think they're going to drop more points? Ngikhuluma nakubhethu Premiership.
I think ukubona sekukibo ukuthi manje bazoyithatha kanjani Khotman, because angeke ucala upress ama-panic button manje, because this is football, yenzakala into ezinjeni,
Yeah.
where we see team lose, and then sekukibo ukuthi manje bazoyithatha kanjani manje,
Yeah.
ukuthi bazoreacta kanjani after lama lose wabo, understand?
Yeah.
But I think they still got the opportunity ukuthi bangacompete.
Yeah.
Manje sisengqondweni kibo ukuthi izosebenza
The mindset.
the mindset manje ukuthi esele ukuthi okay, njengoba sesitropile kanje Jemvi Bowback siyaregroupa back to the drawing board, siyalungisa la simoshe khona, and then we continue fight.
Yeah, nami ngoba I'm shocked, man. A very strong team. Balancing, very, very strong team. Very, very strong team. Right. Akumelanga bapanic. Ngikhuluma ngama-directors. I know they get rid of people. Ngikhuluma ngo-Sir Jonas, CEO, very close with him. And also uSimon. Very good people, but baba release abameye kumthinga ibhola yelazi bangaphiniki. The reason ngibuza le question because of even Sema beka number 4. I know ukuthi mhlambe behind we don't know what happened. Yabona kunama there were talks, but they get rid. But uSema uyibuildile le foundation le, I think yakasema, but uThinkler na ibhola yelazi. Going to igame Orlando Pirates mfethu. Orlando Pirates versus Siwelele. Uyibona kanjani igame mfana Michael?
Ezinjengoba ngizosho Khotman, amabhakani omuzomnyama zagebhula umhlaba kamasipala. Into engayisho ngabo labantu Khotman, this year man, she says it's a different Pirates, very dangerous team, because manje mongathi uyayibheka into besikhuluma na last bane depth emangazayo Khotman. Shuthi noma uzodlala nabo angeke wazi ukuthi uzoplana ngebani. Yeah, bazokulethela police, bazokulethela umreni, bazokulethela umfuking, bazokulethela ubani, like akusekho lula ukuthi manje ngaba planela so simple.
Yeah.
It's one of the strongest team manje for PSL.
Yeah. Yeah, mina into engiyibone ngabo mfethu ithi ngiba compliment. One, Pirates i-scouting department mele specialize izandla. Abantu ababringa ama-player lapha mfethu yabo. Abantu bayithatha kancane lo nto le. They brought players abafike bafeature like a glove. Players aba-add value to the team. Very dangerous team. Ngikhuluma nge-team ecalayo. Each and every position, each player want to compete and want to seal ufuna step authority. Sure, wathola chance, we need to grab it. Otherwise, we won't see you anymore. Well done. I-coach wadu mina ngimshayela izandla. Ngimtawuthile makafika. Angabi convinced still. Angisho ukuthi but one of the mele ngibe nevar. Ikwazi ukuread igame mele ngimshayela izandla ngaleli. Yakwazi i-win, won about 4 games by reading the game. I'm talking about putting players up asuke benchini awadlalise second half. Also into engiyibone ngayo between him and Jose Rivera. I-team kaJose Rivera bene-style of play esiwona. Badlala nge-counter, they play with speed. I-team yale ngwenya le bavariety game, bane-build up, bane-midfield, is-got ball players, banabombule le nemtejane. I'm not too sure about Undudi. I want more from him. Pirates, I think they need to get number 6. Yes, I know they protect back 4 so simple. They hardly lose the ball. But Angzane play that safe. Meaning I was looking at my tight space. Yabo. Elangana Kareta. And also, what I love about him, coach. Ngone kule game le, nale during the week. I was coming on that game. Nale game le bayidlalile. Udla iback 4 yakhe bemile. Back 4 bemile bekarela kuma-win. That's Pirates mina le ngiyazi, the identity of Orlando Pirates previous. I know for modern football ichangile, but rely kumrimi playing him umdlalisa ku strong position sakhe. Lo mfana umuntu odlala behind, akusumuntu o good mampasa on the feet ngebhola ukuthi angathika somebody on. Umuntu mamdlala on the space dangerous, can go direct, technical is very good, because speed une balance yamfana. Yeah, and yeah, he can score goals. Into engiyibonile ukwazi ukudecide game, and also ukudlalisa mhlambe ngimbonile uqale ngosibelebele last week during the week, but now bekaqale ngapolice ngapha ka right, and ukudlalisa urilele ngimcomplimenta ngale nto leyo i-team yakhe variation they build up back surprise sometimes they go with speed they go behind defense defensive two center back right and left which is Usiema and Alice Boimboga one of the best player around the country currently talking about the defender in Africa if I'm not mistaken the best defender for me amongst the best defender bakwazi ukuthi bathole lama long pass bathole lama wing I'm not too sure indlela iPirates mina ngiyibone ngayo
yeah but dangerous ngalento le because if you can check yona Goodman ne into abayiphosisa nomunye umuntu obenza babe more dangerous when they want to play behind they play lifana nohudu le ndoda ayikhathali la Goodman into ifuna ukuyibona even if you check them kule game yabo bayidlalile the assist ayenzile Chuma basi if you check the combination play yabo yena no Rile it was very good because once Rile maqeda ukureceive uvela warana behind uRile azange ahlale ebholweni wavela walrelease and then what wanika umabasi assist nam because if ku football for money without ukuthi utheni defense is not easy
ungakora
yeah noma is not a matter ukuthi udlala ngespeed udlala ngani but eqinile you must turn the defense in order ukuthi now create ama chances because that's where uzothola ama goal khona i-defense may forced ukuthi i-defend ibheke ibhala so udlala phambi kwayo wonke umuntu bazosoloku ba-shift I understand so once you start breaking them udlala behind i-shifting lapha isasebenzi sekumele babuye ba-recover impela
yeah enye into mfethu mina for me yes I disagree manuto man Michael I know dedicated espanini sakhe very is a fit amongst the fittest player one of the fittest player in Betway Premiership very disciplined yambona the lifestyle you can tell he cannot run this way we talk about attack also defending uzokunika 100% each and every game you need to sacrifice in your life yambona Otto is a professional player but on the field man sometimes it's wasteful I know ukuthi I'm talking about decision making kunama runs Otto ayithathe kahle bamthole receive first touch ukuthi superb makumele abuyise ibhola Otto afuna ukuya direct epalini thola ukuthi lo chance leyo is the only chance mhlambe first half Pirates ethola okanye a critical phase of game so I don't mind mina ngiwicreate ka Otto but mele lungise mindset yakhe naye man he need to be composed uyabona yes ngiyazi ukuthi banike enye dimension Otto but once kule position they need to get a proper left back mina ngisasho Pasatini Fede I think it was going to be yabona lo mfana uPasatini Fede lapha a perfect replacement for Otto for me because banika another variation Otto ngabanike yona phela uPasatini technically are very good decision making as well also he can defend yabona timing so I think Pirates honestly they need to get left wing back there lo mfana umdaka I know with the Chiefs release him olapha ku Stellenbosch Pirates need to get mabangathola left wing back I think they will be solid yeah for me that's me angazi mfethu opinion yami
yeah but kwamanje ngoba ngisho even if you get that somebody on a Goodman because mu check iwe great eLando tale man ingenye indlela yona vele unokuyenza ama decision wrong sometimes it's not every time ukuthi like yena but team inceda kakhulu le mjiba ngenda ngathi player nga complain you understand but the Pirates inceda kakhulu in terms of going forward giving them that option
yeah
into bengifanele ukuyibona even nangosibelebelo I wanted to see usibelebela aqala more as a right back yeah ngifuna ukubona something with the line angisha kanjani I think lapho makeza from deep uzoba dangerous kakhulu
yeah usibelebele man is not a skillful player akusi player dribble nayo mangithi ukudribblana I'm not talking about standing on the ball fit creating something like football intelligence yes I know ukuthi umjitu une power enyaweni is technically good yabona right coming from deep surprising opponent overload at win I think will are dangerous if there's nobody next to him in front of him very dangerous but amandlalisa as a winger there's no way ukuthi bangacala ngalo yamfana even a police yabo ngoba na police I need to be honest going to the game le weekend awusema ngimshayile izandla the game plan mfethu shayile game plan usema mina ngimshayile izandla the game plan ushayile umfana umjida usema I think watching on the Pirates analysis yakhe into ayenzile he told himself ukuthi I'm gonna press Orlando Pirates if phela uchitile kule game compare game ayidlale kule ne Pirates before the cup cheated these three players they were pressing Pirates mayiba break ba drop kancane they wait there airfin almost Orlando Pirates if they push it defense bamba nabo 1v1 mhlambe bama nabo close and the midfield very tight in the middle the front the three middle very tight You understand? It's just that he was let down by lo mfana uZwane. Akamnikanga ngikhuluma in terms of offensive. You understand? Akamnikanga manje into bengifuna amnike yona. Bengicabanga ukuthi mina uzomnika yona namusiyema naye mhlawumbe usiyema disappointed. But in terms of 1v1, I think ukuthi le nabo kahle middle. Pirates in the middle field never function very well there. Kule weekend less buya kuyo. Pirates be dangerous kule 4. Just that evident Makgopa kula mina ngijive khona. Evident it can't start ahead of Umabas, which is the Pirates need to make. Kula mina ngithi mina when you say Pirates, who's going to win the league between Pirates and Sundowns? Sundowns currently they're out. Among it out, they've got high profile players. You can't write them off. They are kings of PSL. They proved that in the past 8 years. Unless it's team, yes, off form now. I think they've got problem, but quality side still say that. Up front, Banomuntu who decided game, which is number 9 Reyners. I know Shaludi can shine to Shaludi, but the Reyners, a difference between Pirates and Sundowns. Reyners Pirates abaga decided they play Umuntu Lala sort of it become extra center back, which is evident Makgopa. But Funabe, you can't have somebody that will go there and pull in fact. Okay, it's going to disturb your span it's gonna go side to side and like Mami to score. Yes, everybody can score to a lot of Pirates. I'm a ball player maning, true. But imagine Mabasifo was playing there. Uzi lemfethu ngale game during the week wabapela from the bench. So playing personally, that's why ngithi indaba kaMama is so personal and lento ilimaza ama players. So iPirates ngidifa lapho mina ngecoach ukuthi aqale this boy ungana sesi yena uMakgopa ahead of Umabaso mfethu if amqala game ngoba nanga le game well done to Sema njengoba ngisho awudilile nePirates very well ayibamba nge-counter attack i-game plan yakhe bekuyi-counter attack yeah bekafuna kuba behind i-defense Orlando Pirates sebenze supportane I think for me Potsane was a different fit yabona udlale kahle Potsane need to be on a different player. There's players for certain teams bengikhuluma nabo Nkululeko izolo studio and now I think they start to believe now mhlawumbe uzoyibelieve Michael Dide
hayi unenzakala futhi manje kunama player baya webhayi ukuthi aperform emaklabini amancane afike emaklabini akhulu kube nzima le stand up because le pressure yakhona because sometimes uma ufika kula maklab ufika phela kune pressure nini lapha kula usuka khona budlala nje ungafili that much pressure mase ucala udlalela ama team afana nabo Chiefs Pirates so waziwa wonke umuntu manje ngoba sekuchinja into eziningi even the lifestyle sekumele ichange you understand so nazo ziningi into ezidlala indima kula ma player ngoba uthola iplayer relocate maybe usePlum or useCape Town or useDurban ukusuka nje ukuza la iJuzi khona ngokwa yakhumbula bebasho kade iJuzi aliqilisa
now dangerous
umgozi bale understand man so iyenzakala lento kakhulu vele emaplayini
ucabanga ngani ngoNomtejane mfethu
uMasini I think uMasini la uphakamisa isandla njengoba ngisho manje the thing kuPirates manje into ezoba nzima khotmane it's all about ukuthi manje wonke umuntu ongena uphakamisa isandla so into important into engisho ukuthi Pirates manje everybody is fighting for the position manje akasekho umuntu ozothi no mina ngicomfortable yeah so I think into eyenza Pirates ibe strong
mina mfethu yazi I'm a fan team yenza kahle because South African football is going to benefit we are going to improve as South Africans and also national team will benefit. Pirates in fact they are on the right track. They're doing the right thing. Yabo? For many years, sometimes we were doing the right things. That's why I was always emphasizing that they sometimes moshalizant. But they're doing wrong things currently. I need to be honest. Pirates they are on the right track. Because to play Orlando Pirates will lose just to pick a team sheet. Yabo? Njoba ngisho sign scouting department Orlando Pirates bashayela izandla yabo there's many now what to check out the best out of players because izimo hlele benchini what kumele ngimshayela izandla yabo mina ngimshayela izandla futhi no great game layout le shama coach abhanga lonto le kubethu premiership I've seen coaches athatha ama decision na wrong layout le ya shiny decision mfethu ngithi ngibhekile kushuthi njengamanje sekunafi won the game against Sosema last 9 minutes. You understand that by bring Umbule. I know Umbule, which is ngisabuza namanje Umbule man. Pirates I think need to fix this. Umbule mfethu. I know Nemtejane it's doing very well mfana. Nemtejane. But mina I can play umbule la kudlala khona. You don't need some or lemfana leyo yena unemtenjane. Ngamdlalisa mina defensive midfield bese ngidlala central umbule. Mhlambe badlalisa umbule kube more of a box to box. Central not to number 10 umbule. Ngikhipha unduli. For me, yes, it can work because lemfana energy nomtejali comfortable. Petty arrogance on the ball. Shanga character. Ayixwa ijoin eboxing ngibonile ingene kayi2 3 eboxing. Nale penalty le. I'm not too sure is this game. No, the previous. Ngikhuluma during the week that was a penalty. Last week. It's him. Ungene eboxing umfana. You at least see midfielder central asuka la angene eboxing. Ile Shabo Adams with Sundowns. There's many players that's doing ebashayo. Umbuli amshaya Michael. Pirates he went to against Nigeria. Umfana did very well. He came back, badlaleli game, did very well. If not mistaken, badlala neStellenbosch or what, I can't remember. Did very well Mbuli. Early game, dlala kamnandi umjita. Coming second game, I think that game, I mean to say, he coached him for the last 3 minutes. Leyo nto le yenzani playing psychological.
Yona iyabulala yona man khuluma ivari iyabulala mara but ngoba lo umsebenzi uyabhadalela kuyenza wona yabo. So ezinye izinto kumele ube isojo imasojo wona yabo. Ngoba naye uyazi naye ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi like akafikanga ethimini webhayi ukuthi uzofike uthola wonke umuntu lapho ufika lapho uphakamisa isandla. So naye I think naye kumele abe patient asipane nje kuzoba grand.
Yeah, but mangithi kuwe leyanto le yaphela is gonna go a long way with Mbule. Psychology. You need Mbule. You'll find out with the team I function lo ithembi you need him from the bench. Angene the body language. It's like ikari inejive nyana yabona. Uthola ukuthi igearbox ecar ayikho grand. Okanye mhlambe ibhetri lemoto alikho fully charged. Ufuna ukuyistart ujahile ekseni. Uthola ukuthi kunike problem. So Mbule khona la bazomnida khona uthola psychological akekho right. Ikhona leyo nto le. I'm not saying I know Mbule is a professional player, right? In fact, he get paid to do that, but also it's a give and take. It's a give and take. They need him as well. So Mina, I'm saying because the Pirates want a chance the Champions League to go all the way. For me, Mangba Pere, yabo. Mina take nothing away. I respect the Sundowns they can change because the club currently as ngisho mina ngifeni team yenza well. Pirates thatha it as direction yamba ngayo for me. Right, but mindset one of the star players khuluma nge-star players khuluma ngeplayer ordinary average player Mbule they need that guy bazomnida uzobona
kona njengoba ngisho futhi manje ukuthi yena naye akumelanga manje ayithathe ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi izimconfuse njengoba ngisho ku-national team this guy bambizile futhi ku-national team I think into ekumele yenze nje kumele abe ne-strong mentality aqhubeke asipana uzodlala lapha le umuzo omnyama le akusukuthi umuntu nomuntu
uyavela ngene
because if you can check another thing in football, if football is fine, man, because we can have the best player in the team. But more win wasn't coach on the player. That's football. You understand?
Yeah.
You can have the best player.
Yeah,
if
you yeah.
So long when but the team might win. That's when Mazubu.
I choose two ways. And somebody can get rid of it. Because my liwa. They will ask questions if there's some questions if there's in need. Yeah, you got two right. You are right. Michael, without wasting card in Fetas Kenegule Sundowns against Marumo Gallants. We won a game.
Sundowns man I don't think man is Bugera le Sundowns there with Chalasi. I think the coach Sundowns man I lose it in a dressing room in Sundowns because even the players there because the Sundowns man to say the Sundowns receive
I will be straightforward. Sundowns win without a technical director. They achieve by winning Stanford, but Pakistan without a technical director, which has Pitsom Simon. We like it or not, Aburulani Nyababonde came after that. One of the best now Urulani, but he was discovered by Pitsom Simon. He win without the technical director. I'm talking about the chairman. Nyamhlonipha Dr. Petrus Motsepe, the president himself. Yeah, ngiyathanda abantu aba-investor, especially that guy. I mean, he helps so many people, not only in football. lela Grootman ngilihlonipha kakhulu. I've got big respect ene ufika wachintshana i-football lethu in South Africa. Uyenzile Pirates other teams as well. Pirates, the reason they buying players sometimes at the standard. And well done to Petrus Motsepe for doing that, investing in football. So we need people like that more. But true, i-decision ayenzile by releasing Pitso Msimang. Ngiyazi kunama-problem. I know Pitso naye ukuthi asiyazi kakhulu. We can't dwell with that. Ngesingenelele. But lesizwile. There was kids and stuff. But le nto le, it's something that you could talk about. It's like umshado mfethu. Kuyahlalwa phansi. I know ukuthi umshado there's divorce and stuff, go separate ways. But kuyahlalwa phansi kubonisana. I mean uPitso, Petrus Motsepe, Pitso Msimang number 1. Babe nama-coach amaningi abo Mitchell, Neskens, Stashkov, Trot Muloto, lot of coaches, yabo. Spending money, bringing players. Colin Besuma, I remember, went there. Mbulelo Mabizela, Abu Derek Spence, a lot of Peter Ndlovu. Big players went there, but they never won anything. And then Pitso came. 3 seasons he signed. First season almost got relegated. Second he won the league title. And then going forward, they won trophies. Kona la winner yonkinto. We need 3 trophies. And also won the Champions League. We talk about the coach opening star. After a parade, it's from this Kate City. And then Wabani Inking, we understand. Okay, linking us get cool. How do you allow him to go?
It's football politics, man. Yazi umuzi nomuzi njengobusho, umuzi nomuzi unenkinga zawo. Ngoba ngeke uwazi vele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Even if you check no culture land, man. The way ahambe ngakhona man. Wonke umuntu azange understand. So njengobusho ukuthi like kule coach Pitso because makafika na coach Pitso ngendlela naye ayelewa handle ngama transfer it shows ukuthi kunabantu bekalona nabo phakathi. Even if noma bengeke ba reveal it shows ukuthi kunabantu bekalona nabo phakathi because if you remember la aseselapho coach bekune player bathu ba no movie. He was signed, but Coach Pitso never used that player. He chose ukuthi akusuke owathi akasign nomuntu nami. Yeah. So I think even in the management, but badlala i-role enkulu because there are people who want to benefit from the lama transfer. Business deals, you understand? So lento yalama coach na is broad man. Ungayibheka la kanti ngaphakathi inkinga ngaphakathi.
It's sad, Michael, because it's killing South African football. We were benefiting as South Africans. Singashaya izandla sithi Bafana went to AFCON. Sundowns that was playing. Even the philosophy, the identity. I've seen Hugo Bros. Yoba ngisho mina fika la. A different coach after Sundowns, I pick up about my 8 players. Beyiqala ku Sundowns. Talk about the starting 11. AFCON ukuza kanje. It was Sundowns. It's only now Pirates that took over. We need to be realistic. Well done to Pirates as well. Well done to Jose Rivero to check out the best out of players. And into anezincane ukubelieve kuzo. Right, and kunamanye ama-deal, and even there was an issue efana nale yethu ebafana yellow card Pitso. I remember kalangamani whereby I remember Sundowns was fine. Pitso when he was there dlalisulanga whereby bekana 3 bookings, and Pitso said mina my job it was on the field. I'm not too sure what's going on. Izinto ezingalezo Mobi, right, signing Mobi uchema kafika futhi get rid of many players. We need to be realistic. We talk about high profile players. He brought the younger players, but Masiti younger. The age squad sakhe under average age under 27 years. We are pants. He brought up Mkhulisi, I remember. And Abu Pro Batoli Chance, Mabadisha from development, Kelitso Mahalo, I remember. We should be work hand in hand in the development coaches. Also bring players, senior players, Abagos Guspana, big Nabu Trump and stuff. Tiani Mabunda, it's me. Right, bekalona abantu abaningi, but he was working without the technical director, and he won so many things. And I remember there was one year, Pitso, early president with Trot Muloto, and Alex Chakwane went to Motsepe Foundation. They went there. Yeah, I remember there was an article I can't remember. We were released. I think akusukuthi we maybe, but I believe mina noma ngaba bayishongo mina ngibelieve ukuthi uyothe sorry. He won because njoba ngisho first season, iku 3 season. Figure almost got relegated, won the league. Was 3 makaywina. I think yenzeke lapho uTrot whereby waya ku Motsepe Foundation no Alex Chakwane. So Michael, he brought Urlane. Ngifuna ukubuza this. He brought Urlane. Because I remember Urlane naye uvayile waya ku Pirates bamkhaya Pirates. Pirates, they gave him players. He got rid of a lot of players now. But asibe never Pirates imshayile Orlando, imshayile Pirates because bekumele aqale phansi. Kune involvement we know ku Pirates akusuke kuphela uyicoach. Why kuchipa azange enze kahle. Peter brought him back. Ngimzwile na kwenye interview Peter athi I brought Orlando but it brought yangibheka yonke. I brought but one of the best talent young. We talk about Orlando as well. A young talented coach. Wamshiya la he took over. Mfethu le ngwenya leya he won the Super League. Convincing. Ibambi Al-Akhlila, if not mistaken, I think it was 4-1 or 5-1. Convincing. Liam Chitaluana, the way he was playing, each and every game, Sundowns dominate the game. Kunendlela ngikhuluma nge-identity. We talk about the identity. Le nto engiyibiza nge-culture, identity. There's no way you can play Sundowns, could play Sundowns. So I think it's the one who set the standard true. I think Roland is learning a lot. But obviously, students siyafunda siphinde ngokuhlakanipha kwasona bosibe yabona. Roland a compliment ukuthi kube ne-continuity. He took out the best out of players. Sundowns ukudlala nayo Roland when he was there. Him and Pitso. Bekunzima ukuthi mawudlala ne-Sundowns. I'm sure now Michael can testify with that.
Yabona i-Sundown njengoba usho na futhi mananda uRulane mina was disappointed nami ukubona ucoach Rulane i-Sundowns in release. I think i-downfall yabo icale lapho because if you can check after Rulane banika ucoach Mancoba and then ucoach Mancoba naye azange like sibone ukuthi like kwenzakaleni and then bamrelease naye njengoba sebalanda uCardoso but for me it was unfair because naye azange bamuphe enough chance after ucoach Rulane. But the identity of the coach Rulane, it was one of the best lapha ku-Sundowns because it's not dealing in terms of the national team. Because it depends, man. Everywhere in the world, man. When you find a big team is performing well, you are trying to
translate to
national team, you understand? Because I want to
transfer
it. I want to so ikanjalo man. That's why it's fun ukubona kakhulu ama-team ethu amakhulu. They always perform. You understand? Yeah, into ezinota kakhulu nathi ukuthi sikhule na ku-national team.
Yeah, going to the game Saturday, badlale neMarumo Gallants. Yes, they dominated the game. Moving the ball, build up a bit slow, I believe. Build up a bit too slow, Mfethu. I still got this small bong course and keep it do. I don't think it's functioning. I span. They are pairing. I span for me. I know with the product last time speaking to Sam Wash with him, more of development players will come in. You can't invest to youngster a player lane with development, spending millions. Also, but it has to be proper player. Sundowns is set the standard, remember. I span their pairing. Build up too slow. Yes, but not deal with this guy. Opremdiba, one of the best player for me in PSL. I mean, I love that the language. I love the ball. Just it obvious. Opri just speak to him. He's an experienced player. You tell him to sit there. Technically very good. To Opri, if was he can play in the middle. A versatile player. In the middle field, over so coach Saturday. Begumkwena ngaphandle. Wenza le nto enzo Mancoba. I think push my ego down. There's egos there. And when I landed there, playing Santos, Sales, Renas as well, Matthews. Lo coach the Marumo Gallants in Tengi Bonide. Azanga the open game, with their game. The low block. Make it difficult for Sundowns. Scrambling a cook now. But you can't complain a ground. Both teams you play. The low block. Dalang a false nine. Believe the Dalang on run to steal. But no combination play side in the coach now. They have no intention to go behind the defense of Sundowns. But make it difficult for Sundowns. But like creativity, Sundowns, how many shots on target, both games, the gaming and our chances in coming on Saturday. That's my observation, and it went to penalty. I deserve for me, Michael.
If you can check whether good man Sundowns, like whoever's gonna play Sundowns, because I don't know Islander because if you find a team where it plays a low block, we'll have to think on players as well because you need skillful players.
But because
it's man, you have to turn that defense. Because they play low block so that good one against the good will be Pamwa, we understand. So you need to play, and then when you go wide, you need to move on for the boxing or I'm saying with us of crosses. But Gibo with your peg who Sales is not that kind of a player would he. Angathatha abantu one on one. Matthews naye is a good player but akusumuntu othanda na ukuthatha abantu one on one. So lapha bamdinga umuntu aggressive la kulama wing ayi-2 bamdinga umuntu ozohlala yenza more on.
Yeah, right. I'm not too sure about their signing currently. Angazi bayibheka kanjani. I know ukuthi team edlala it's a system team, but badlala they play as a team. They don't rely on individual brilliance. And mele ba variety game yabo. Yabo dangimshala khona izandla mina uPitso Msimane udlale ngabo Pesita uKick Ndodi. Kama billiard. Individual brilliance and there's Katlego Mashego there. Okanye Katlego Mphela. You understand? So you need that individual. Yes, Upitso bega variety game. Kunabo Hlampu will play long. Abo Bongani Zung they play short passing. 1v1 abo pace bakuhlakaza nabo Kintoli. Katlego finish. But now it team be predictable man. Usales mele bayilungisa nesi. Udlala ka right ungena phakathi. I understand that. But they confuse too much because they get exposed. Badlala nge wing back which is umdawo. He can't cover distance. Lo mfana malibonge mele draftele ngapha kana speed. Yabo amanye ama team aslam ukuthi ama coach madlala naba concern ngaba ba cheat. Yabo yeah, but they need skillful players, proper skillful players and banomapena abamdlala isikhutlwane enhlako mapena one of the best exciting player mina ngisasho yamfana uphethe nalo Clark yalazi ball yeah imnandi leya. But the coach noma bakhona kabadlalisi and it's disappointing, but I think they deserve to lose the game for me ngama penalty Saturday night.
Yoba ngisho futhi manje into iSundowns this season ayiconvince even nalama game owawinina.
But not convincing here.
Like akusesele iSundowns should manje any team manje odlala neSundowns abasayisabi like the way bayisaba ngakhona manje. Because uyabona ukuthi lapha singawathola ama points manje, understand? Ayisafani naqala ukuthi masiza sovika induku. Abanye abasabasabi bavele babalanda
yeah
so manje abasenabo ubungozi.
Yeah. What do you think of Mikel Cardoso mfethu because mina mangibona his days are numbered mfethu.
No, njengoba ngisho ngithi football isebenza ngeindlela. If you remember coach Manqoba ku Sundowns azange bamuphe opportunity efana no Cardoso.
Yeah, speak his skin and just like his skin. We don't respect South African coaches. Aswahloniphi yeah.
Because if you check coach Manqoba yini into wrong esingathi okay uyenze because njengoba ngisho football you can't win all the games man. Yeah, uzobe fortunate mangabe nekwenzakalile but lasiphila empilweni kaNkulunkulu. Awuthanda zonke uNkulunkulu angeke na uhambe uwina with every year wona uzohlala uwina wonke ama game no. Doesn't mean you lose one game you're bad. No. You understand? Yenzakala impilo lo. Even players yabana bad game akusho ukuthi uya bad player. So kuyafana nakuma coaches yakho.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa Michael coming to izolo Kaizer Chiefs we saw the game. Kaizer Chiefs versus Stellenbosch. What do you think of their game, Michael?
Ngayisho ngeChiefs man futhi man it's very disappointing ukubona lento enzaka ngeChiefs man yazi. Because mina nami into engele ngayisho that time ukuthi how can ukuthi bangahambisa uNabi and then bashiye abantu abezenonali because it's one and the same abantu bakhe labantu bapilivela kule same system naba pilivela here so kusazoyenzakala but with these coaches man you can see ukuthi i-dressing room man baluza i-dressing room labajita man like ngathi umuntu nomuntu sekazi yenzela sekugamazi yenzela lapha kahle kahle zinelonga le club like any dignity ngakhona. I'm feeling for my supporter athanda le club abayisupporta each and every game ekugcineni bangathola ama results because manje you can see noma ngathi ukhuluma ngabo tactically or kanjani but you can see with the problem there is bigger than the entire background.
Mina what is surprising me lengwenya lo Khazi it came here as a Tolik. The one Khazi, the one who's in charge now. It came as a Tolik. Suddenly has changed. He become a coach. He took off. It's more of a joke than Tolik. Embarrassment. Coming to the game is all. How can you forget? You guys, everybody, everybody engineers we are coach. I'm talking about players, even the goalkeeper coach, yasugumia coach. We don't mind the goalkeeper coach once, mhlambe yasugumi. Khuluma ngale ngwenya le enwele. Pointer everything. We don't know what's going on. Players themselves on the bench. Baphakama 2-3 they pointing. We don't basuma bonke. Coming to Amasab. We are in Amasab. Good 90 minutes. Angithi Chiefs I'm very disappointed about the intensity. They forgot even ukuthi ama-sub kumele bawenze. It was I5 for 90 minutes. Bafuna ukwenza sub, bayenze 4. I think they wanted to make a sub 90 extra time. Mindset yabo leyanto embarrassment Michael singayithatha light. It's very disappointing. Njengoba usho the problem is bigger. Angithi ngifuna ukuvumelana nawe. Michael, if you can be realistic, sikhulisa bo brackets. Basika chance. All the companies gave us each a platform. Night Chiefs ayisinikanga i-chance ngoba bekuyifavor mfana. We need to be honest, it was a give and take. The talent nathi babone something in us. But we appreciate uBrakim mina ngimhlonipha. Because I know Brakim built that brand. Sifike lapha mfana nathi saphathwa njengamaqanda. We need to be realistic.
Ngasinjenje kahle kahle ngapha.
We need marinabo kunento abayibonile. Yeah, it's a give and take no Michael. They could go for anyone. We need to be realistic. Kunento abayibona boy. But mina into engibahloniphela yona uBrakim, Pop Steak, Pops. Junior Kaizer Sihlale sonke na is a director now. We need to give credit. Labachita laba they save him imini. Not basizile but nabo kunento abayibonile ngathi. We need to be realistic. Angithi it's a give and take. Leyo sesayibona Michael nale yenziwa manje. It's painful mfethu because njengoba usho it's bigger now when Michael I problem yabo. When you check they bringing players that average for me. Lento le njengoba ngisho you can't sign njengoba ngizobuyela kule topic enesike side debate. Anyway it's a game of opinion. Akusho shooting right, akusho shooting right. The opinion yami. Signing these free agent players somewhere it will catch up with you. Akhona ama free agent uyayithola one. Akubi easy. But weight matters most bazoku expose mfethu. And I think now it's starting to show mfethu. And also on the management side yibo ngisho ngibene bathatha accountability going to the game Saturday mfethu ngithema ngibona njengoba not Saturday izolo le yanto le I was very disappointed mina especially amasapho ukubona ukuthi abantu bakhohliwe as coaches there and bring this guy bengizibuza nje ngilibele ngi1 ngithi uze la izomtoliki now become a coach disappointing kakhulu enuzo bahambisa unabi ushiya lama assistant right it's the same philosophy they believe in same type of players bring abo Silva lapha ku Chiefs they brought now lama coach they bring abo Modi. I see they believe in Modi. Mteto played very well yesterday, mina ngimshayela izandla, but I can't play ngomthetho mina which is defensive midfield. Bangicaka zange basayina goalkeeper. I don't know why. Izolo ngibonile bafaka uNtwari bafuna ukwenza isub ka goalkeeper. It tells you ukuthi ba confused. They don't even trust their goalkeeping department. Going to the game, masikhulume ngegame fana. Igame ezolo mfana Chiefs wena uyibone iJavi Chiefs benjani between Stellenbosch and Chiefs.
I think the Chiefs man, what they like much of more of creativity, man, to create more chances. Understand? Like they don't have that much creativity.
Yeah.
You understand? Like njoba laman esh. I imagine intenza kala man. So njoba ngisho ukuthi man nala unomuntu ababheka na tactically man umuntu ababheka man esh. Abachazi.
Yeah.
You understand? Njengoba usho nama players dlalayo man esh. I'm sorry, man. I deserve abantu bakhona.
Osayibona. Yeah, ngcono yibona, yeah.
I think nabo manje it's up to the management manje ukuthi nabo babuye nabo bachaza ama support wabo. I think manje man they must invest money lapha ukuthi manje they must buy quality players. Yeah. I think ngaphandle kwaloko ukuthi man kusazoba nzima. Yeah, kusazoba nzima.
Michael, ifootball akusive mfethu. Chiefs ngeke ilunge overnight le yanto le yalapha. It's they need to appoint somebody sort of like Ustan Shabalala, like a general manager. Unfortunately, somebody like even a technical director, I think which is but also seven hand in hand with the coach. Not different. They need somebody with some trust in terms of giving a budget and say we're going to work hand in hand with the coach. Or a coach, no matter in a technical director, general manager like Pizzo. But I suspect to Pizzo Sundowns, the way he has good case, Sundowns I suspect they will fetch Pizzo. But Chiefs for me, Bengamland Pizzo. Is the only coach that can fix Chiefs now. Sasha na my development Chiefs. Now he has. I think the power of Kaizer Chiefs, it was a development before. Previous, we have Michael. Signing players, yes, as for say maybe 3 years in a row. And then you need to go to market again, spending money. But knowing each is good development before, you can sign 9, 10 quality players or 11. Mhlamba kuncede 3 years or 2 years. Phela ama team nabo they think over every 6 months yonke team yako market. Kunabo Pirates and Santa, you know how they know how to sign players. Now I-Chiefs development yabo ngisazoyimenshina this. Michael kuya kule development. There's many players abawukhiphile lapha afike wafitha now like a club. Wayinceda in terms of ukuthi bahambe bothenga ama-player outside. I-development i-Chiefs I think bekuyiyo game. I think it was a power i-Kaizer Chiefs. Igame yaSaturday kuyibona mina Michael. I think nje busho. Eish. I-Midfield. It's a game of Sunday, I mean to say so. Both teams they never created chances. Stellenbosch technical very good. Mbone badlala ngokhiba. Badlala ngalomfana lo Mthiane. I saw Palace as well. Palace udlalile na Junini which is I think badlala kana 15 under 17. Midfield yabo be more technically good compared to Chiefs movement of the ball, but nabo they never went azange bayi trouble Chiefs. Labo ngikhuluma ngefront three yabo uKhanye ulomfana uTitus and the boy is Sulwane on the left hand side azange bayi trouble Chiefs. Ngimbonile Solomon was going up kule game ezolo. Coach Chiefs idlala kanjalo and then watshela this guy uSilwane to stay Steve Barker ngapha on the left hand side wanting to expose, but lo mfana 1v1 is not, I don't think kumnandi in terms of kulanda abantu angene boxing. You don't have to land umuntu ne 1-2 man yabo. Sometimes put the ball in swing angithi udlala ngo right on the box quick yabo. It can be dangerous between goalkeeper and defender if defender face ball lapho, but akaba exposing iChiefs ngalo dominating the game. Ball position well done too because ukudlala nge-intensity high. You can see badlala ngama-play development because i-DDC Stellenbosch have been dominating yabo for the past 2-3 years. Noma ngaba bawini but they strong i-development yabo. And i-Chiefs indlela atheka ngayo badlala ngumuntu ba-overload iside ka left. Umuntu is this guy Modi on the left hand side. But yesterday bawatholile ama-chance but away from i-box bad yabo. And how many shots on target nabo they never create, how many chances they created. uSolomon ngapha uyacrossa uyuhambayo ngibonile uyepha ungena phakathi crossela abantu Mayo not much bamfite because this boy inkosi ngiphile ngcobo beka too much. That's my observation. So he can be deserve vela ama penalty.
Because if ungacheka noMayo so far wakamsupply kakhulu okay singakhuluma bathi uMayo akayenzi anything, you understand, but ungacheka na ukuthi like in terms of supplying iball uthola kangaki like I'll figure that much kuye noMayo. And Umayo he played injani very dangerous when ithanda ukudlala enyaweni, you understand. So like his supply Chiefs is not enough njengoba ngisho they don't create like enough chances ukuthi bazamkhombana ne-striker like bathola ama-chances are enough. So I think nabo lilepo nabo like ba on and off ngathi udlala makufuna yena. So man I think i-Chiefs man uzomele vele invest imali ithenga amanye ama-player.
Ulepo I mean avele beyangekho right uyazi makafika, but in terms of work rate, threat, much better makhono unabi. But the different player unabi nje bambi is no longer the same. It's no longer the same like uWes manje nami ngiyavuma and he's going down. Yeah, I understand. But why putting Serino on the bench? Okay, uSerino is no longer Serino lo bekafika which is but mfethu umbonile izolo makangeni. Lo mfana mfethu uSerino khan kule bachita balapha. They believe kubomodi which is mfethu. And as we show there's average players in fit like kunama play they don't have character nabo nkosi ngiphile sekwisikhathi eside Michael badlala as development players 6 years now 5 years. I need to be realistic. Mele sibe never street direct. So you can bring a coach here but those players nabo I'm fit they need to mele bacabangisise kahle abachita nabo ukuthi what are they bringing for a team. And just last game Sundowns and Chiefs need to appoint a coach. Coach in a character, but they don't have to go outside. That's my observation. We are outside. I believe in local coaches. Can they break account by local coaches? Yes, they can. Unama coach, I believe. Angithi long keep coach like South Africa is best to cook Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns or Pirates. No, but abayele local. Can they appoint the coach at local for me? And the Sundowns can they appoint coach after getting rid? Because this guy, I don't think Sundowns is a man. Yabo ngenzeka noma yini sinezwa nje ama-news noma kunini Carlos. Can they appoint coaches for South Africa so that we see ngikhuluma nga coach abazindaba zabo. We're not talking about just, that's my observation. I think they need local coaches for these two teams for me, Sundowns and Chiefs.
Yeah, kona letness so good manje uyazi nama local coaches, but I think manje umuntu okhona available ongakhona because even now lama local coaches sometimes you must check ukendlisha na i-pressure kuyakula ma-team kuba inkinga nake sometimes, you understand. So but I think as a coach Pitso into ayenzile like uziprovile.
Ngisho yena.
Uziprovile.
Ngisho yena.
I think i-Chiefs imene nje ihlale phansi ikhulumisane nabo ba-break bank for yena bamnike i-checkbook ayimakethe asayine amaplayer I think i-Chiefs izobuya izobuya.
Right. Chiefs or Sundowns can sign Pitso. For me, I think both of them, they can. It goes by process. They need to understand there's a process. Yabo. But sometimes they've got quality players, just they need a coach. Chiefs, Magafigo Pitso is going to get rid of about 12 players. For me, 10 bazovaya, sure. Yeah, Michael Fetnyabo, mfethu sihlakazile mfana, and yeah, without to waste this card. Don't forget mfethu hashtag bet with your best, hashtag World Sport Betting. Ngakhohlwa nokusubscribe la 1520s. Hey, bafana base Brazil. The Selcado.
Ayoba.